we've got some eggs. Yay! Ducks are starting to lay again, which is fantastic. Now, Dad and Pi decided the other day that it was about time these ducks started to get out a bit more. I mean, being cooped up in that pen is just not nice. So we have to be careful though, because we don't want them encroaching on the other farmers' land, eating their rice, because they won't be happy about it. And of course, the farm is not fenced off in any way. So we decided to give it a go the other day. And as you can see, our ducks are now out of the pen and on the pond, and look how happy they are. This could be one of the reasons why they've started to lay again, because they're just much happier. I mean, would you want to be cooped up in that all day, every day? I mean, seriously, I wouldn't. I wouldn't be happy at all, and I wouldn't lay eggs either. But anyway, as you can see, the girls are doing just fine. They're enjoying the pond. They get to swim about, and of course what's important is they get to feed on natural bits and pieces. Look at them all. As you can see, they all stick together. Now, the other day when Dad tried this out, and I wasn't here, so I didn't see it, he said at the end of the day he just called them and they all went back in the pen. Perfect. So yeah, it looks like things are picking up on that front, and I'm delighted they are, because I'm so much happier for the ducks. That's a fact. Keep turning. It's all progress, all good progress. Brilliant. Are you ready then, honey? Come on then. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to go off hunting for some fresh papaya. And Pi today is going to show you how to make the ultimate papaya salad. Now, I actually don't like it. And the reason I don't like it is because it's too spicy. Can't eat anything spicy. Just plays with my stomach. But they do another variety like peanuts, and it's just not. It's a little bit sweet actually. And I actually really like that. So you never know, I might get some of that. Here we go then. Let's go and see if we can find the first part of the ingredients, which is the papaya. Now, we're going to have to go on somebody else's farm here, but nobody minds. These trees just grow and grow everywhere, so nobody minds. If you want to go and pick something like this off a tree, they're more than happy. Well, this is the first part of the ingredients, and it's on our neighbour's farm, and we just asked the couple in here if we can have one or two, and they said yeah, sure we can. I said nobody seems to mind around here. That's the guys in there. That's it. So that's it. She's now got the papaya. Oh, we've got 3 there. There you go. Yes. That one's we're going to use for cooking, making the Som Tam, and this one is going to be used, well, these 2 are going to be used for the duck feed. As you can see, some of the ducks have already made it back to the duck house on their own. They just do what they want to do, go for a quick swim. But doesn't it look more natural for them? Just look at them, they're just having a great time. Free. I must love it out there. Anyway, the second part to making Som Tam papaya salad is the gung, little shrimp. And these little shrimp nets that Pi made are coming in handy, because it now means we can get shrimps very, very easily. Well, now that Pi's finished harvesting all the nets, she's got quite a bucket full there, and apparently they're very tasty, and you eat them live. Lovely. Right, let's go back home, and Pi will show you how to prepare it all.
First thing, I'm gonna peel papaya. Yeah. Now I finish peel. I'm gonna chop. easy เหรอ That's good
ปวดหัว
Now I finish off papaya. This one enough. Okay. This one garlic. Gonna put a bit garlic. Chili. ใส่เบอร์ดูไปยายเบอร์นะ
กินกับสิบ่ได้บ่ได้นั่ง
โอ้ยใส่หลายได้ไหมล่ะพริกอ่ะ
ย้าย
ซิลี่บ้าง
3 เม็ด20 บาท
ก็พริกก็ซิลี่
สิเต้นคือตาผัวเจ้าได้นะ
โอเค Chili enough. Break chili. I'm gonna put
บางอย่างนั่น
เฮ็ดส่วนหนึ่ง
tomato.
บางอย่างก่อน
มะเขือ
มะเขือที่คือไพ่เขาเอิ้นบางอย่างก่อน
Tomato.
เอาตัวมาโซ่มึงบอกกูพอดีภาษาเจียวกูจำเลยบอกตัวมาโซ่
Ajinomoto.
ปลาน้ำปลาใส่ไหมนะ
ที่มาโซ่
Lamb.
เอาเงยแดงๆนี่ใส่บักนาว
นี่ล่ะเอาเปรี้ยวมาใส่บ่ยาย
ใส่โลด
มาใส่สวมหลาย
ได้เฮ็ดสมหลายเขาใหญ่เพิ่นกินบ่กิน
2 อันก่อนนะ
พอละเพราะเพิ่นเฮานี่สมก็ได้แห้งแซ่บ
Fish salt.
สกี้น้ำแดง
เรื่องนั้นก่อน
จักแล้ว
คือไพ่เขาเอิ้นยังไพ่
แต่ละส่วนยาย
เอาซ่อนเอาเดี๋ยวลูกซ่อนเอา
This one Thai people in Isana they say ปลาร้า What in this called fish ปลาร้าใครหลายบ่ยายเค็มบ่
กินบ่ได้อันปูลูกเข้ามาใส่
นี่นั่นเอาปูนี่ตัวใหญ่
อันนี้ตัวใหญ่บ่เบิ่งจะบอก
This one I make myself crab we put fish salt and garlic taste good
ตำกระเทียมใส่ตะไดแห้งแซ่บ
But I want take out this
โอ้ยไตไปแล้วนะ
put one more should taste good
โอ้ยกูบ่เคยเห็นกูเลยเห็นตายตำคงบอกที่ดี
โอ้
papaya
ไปเลย
you can smellแซ่บอ๋อยาย
แซ่บไหลไหลแก้วเขายังกินบ่ได้แล้วบ่แม่นธรรมดาแล้วโอ้ย
let me try first
มึงบ่ทันได้เข้าพริก
taste
เอากุ้งไปใส่
okay
เฮ็ดบ่พวกมึงนี่70 บาทนี่น้องตำกับตัวตำกับตั้งว่างั้นนะ
this one okay finish ส้มตำ this vegetable we can eat it with ส้มตำ have some noodle เอาลงนี่จังหน่อยนะ
Everybody now getting on the act.
อืม
นี่แหละอาหารคนไทยเป็นอย่างนี้แหละอาหารคนไทยงูตัวยักษ์
and this swim
ออกไหมออกไหม
gonna put
ตัว
like
มา
this
นั่งที่พอมั้ง
เต้นอันนี้ยังช่วยให้เขาเจ้าเบิ้ง
โซโซน้องแม่น้อง
that's good one side
Well, there you go, guys. That's Pie making her Som Tam or papaya salad with live shrimp. Delicious. But it's actually too hot for me. I can't eat it. They do another version which is slightly sweet and with peanuts, and that's really, really nice. It's a really refreshing dish, and it's crunchy. It's a very, very healthy way to eat it. That's for sure. There's nothing in there that's cooked. Absolutely nothing. That's all fresh vegetables, live shrimp, and Pie is very, very happy. There you go. I'll get Pie to do some more cooking videos for you. Interesting stuff. Don't forget, guys, please subscribe, share and like. It makes a huge difference to our little channel. And we will see you later. And I'll leave you with the guys having lunch.